Hello student, welcome to my video classes, and in this video we are going to solve a question from composite function chapter, and which the question is on your screen, where composite function f of g is given in the form of order pair and the function g is also given in the form of order pair. We have to show this particular composite function f of g in a mapping diagram, and also we have to find the function f as a set of order pair, and the given part is already written there. F of g is equal to 4, 2, 8, 4, and this they are in the form of order pair, and g is also given in the form of order pair. We have to find f in the form of order pair. First we will draw a mapping diagram. As you have already seen in the theory portion, the structure of mapping diagram looks like there will be three oval shape. It doesn't look like oval shape, but generally we draw oval shape. And now this is a general structure of our mapping diagram, and we have to be sure about the domain and range first. Okay, for the first composite function, domain and range are, this is domain, okay. I have written D for domain, and domain, isn't it? X is always domain, or you can say antecedent is always domain and consequence is always a range. Now the range part, this is range, and range. And first same goes with the function g also, range, and domain. We have to be sure about domain and range first. And now which function takes the input first? FOG हुँदाखेरि, composite function FOG हुँदाखेरि कुन फंक्शनले पहिला इनपुट लिन्छ? Obviously G फंक्शनले लिन्छ हैन. F ले हैन कि G ले लिन्छ. So G takes the input first, means this way is for G and this way is for F. यहाँबाट यहाँ G ले ल्याउँछ र G को आउटपुटलाई टिपेर F ले यहाँ लगाइदिने हो, र यो माथिको वाक्य हो. This is composite function FOG. Understand? है, यो वाक्य हो G को, जसले इनपुट लिन्छ त्यो पहिला यहाँ आउँछ अनि यहाँबाट यहाँ जान्छ. So we have to fill the domain of G in this part, and range of G will be filled here, and domain of F will be filled here, and range of F will be filled here, and domain of composite function FOG will be filled in this part, and the range of the composite function will be filled here. एउटा हामीले लेखेको थियौं थ्योरी पार्टमा हेर्यो भने देख्न सकिन्छ. This is the domain of G and FOG. है, यो जहिले पनि डोमेन अफ G जुन फंक्शनले पहिला इनपुट लिन्छ त्यसैको डोमेन हुन्छ. And this is the range of F. यो लेख्न पर्दैन बुझ्नको लागि. And FOG. Now this is the range for F and FOG. यो range F को र यो के हुन्छ? Range of F and domain of G. Input output भने पनि भयो, domain range भने पनि भयो, जसले सजिलो हुन्छ. Now we can easily fill, हैन. हामी यहाँ माथि domain range लेखिसकेका छौं. हामीले फिल गर्न अब कुनै समस्या छैन. अब domain of F fill गरे नि भयो, domain of G fill गरे नि भयो, domain of FOG बाट fill गरे नि भयो, हैन. त्यो एउटै आउँछ. That will be 4, C, D लेखेको, 8 and 12 and 16. These are the domain of FOG or G. Range of F, हामीसँग F छँदै छैन, so we can fill the range of F, but we have FOG. F छैन नि हैन, त्यही भएर range of F त खोजेर पाइदैन. तर FOG को रेन्ज त छ नि. FOG को रेन्ज छ कति छ? 2 and similarly 4, similarly 6 and 8. these are the range of f or g. Now we have range of g, in fact range of g and domain of f, right? Mistake bhaeko cha. Range of g, do we have range of g or domain of f? यो दुईटा मध्ये के छ? हामीसँग domain of f छैन, range of g छ र range of g भनेको 8 16 24 and 32. Now we can easily draw the line. We can connect it by the line. 4 is mapped to 8, है 4 8 मै म्याप भएको छ, यही हेरेर थाहा पाइन्छ. 8 is mapped to 16, isn't it? And 16 is mapped to 12 is mapped to 24, and similar 16 is mapped to 32. Okay, now arrow goes below. है वे कसरी हो त्यसरी नै arrow जान्छ किनभने यो domain हो, यो range हो. Now this is the domain of f and range of g. कहाँ जाने भयो? 8 बाट 2 मा जान्छ र पहिला यो तान्नु भन्दा पहिला यो तान्दाखेरि अझै क्लियर हुन्छ. 2 to 4 यहाँ हामी हेर्न सक्छौं. 2 देखि 4 मा गएको छ, 4 देखि 2 मा गएको छ, and 8 to 4 12 6 माथि हेर्न सकिन्छ domain range, and 16 8. Now arrow 1 2 3 4. अब यो 8 को 2 नै हो भनेर कसरी थाहा भयो? 4 2 मा गएको छ, 4 8 मा गएको छ भनेपछि obviously 8 must go to 2. अनि 8 4 मा गएको छ, यो 8 16 मा पनि गएको छ. That means 16 must be mapped to, similarly 6 must be mapped to 24, similarly 8 must be mapped to 32. अब हामीलाई f ला order pair को फर्ममा लेख्न भनेको छ. Then we can easily write f in the form of order pair. Therefore f भनेको यो पार्ट हो नि भयो f, हामीले पहिले नै पिक गरिसकेका छौं f र g लाई. Therefore f as the set of order pair will be 8 to 16 4. जहाँ म्याप भएको छ, जता म्याप भएको छ त्यही लेख्ने हो. 16 4 and 24 6 and 32 8. Now this is the answer. Okay, you have to be careful while solving this type of mapping diagram question about the domain and range. You have to be clear about the domain and range, and or output input. Then you can easily fill in the boxes in the shapes, rather shapes, and to connect गर्ने को connect कुनबाट कुनमा गर्ने भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ यही order pair मै आएको हुन्छ हैन, order pair मै लेखिएको हुन्छ. So this concludes our video and hope you understand, and see you on next video.